Harale, I'm the host right here at Playtronics. It's so nice to be here because it's the first music event happening down in Mumbai City at the Phoenix City Mall. And of course, it's a combination of a lot of people, which is combined energy of Plus91 and brought to you by Third Rock Entertainment. I looked at the lineup of all the DJs and it's amazing. We've got Amit Makwana who's playing, we had Bunty, we had the Dirty Code. Of course, we've got the Electroverts coming, we've got Bullseye coming, we've got Indra J coming, and the big one, the Leon Boiler. And of course, we've got the lovely visuals, which is brought to you by Vijay Tarang. And we are right here having a blast with amazing music, dancing shoes on, and tons of energy. I love it. I completely love it. It'll be so nice to hear different sounds. I mean, of course, Bollywood is Bollywood. It'll always be close to our hearts because it's made a worldwide news with its music, with its culture, with its dance. It represents India. So I would not want to change Bollywood completely. But yes, a little more sound coming in would make it nice and spicier because it's the 21st century and we need different sounds in our lives.
Very well. He's awesome and he really goes like heart to heart and it's super cool.
It's all about creating a history, you know. You have to give your best, get the best lineup. That's the whole ideation, you know. The mix of artists and marketing karke to make the programming is the main concept of any event. I guess this is the first time ever we're doing an event in a mall. We are expecting approximately 5,000 people. अभी बाहर 4,000 तो नहीं, 200-300 जन आ गए हैं और जन आएंगे. I expect 1-2 घंटे में और बढ़ जाएंगे because of the soccer. People are not turning up to the malls, you know. But I guess we'll have 2,000 people and this will gradually grow. It's the first edition. We are planning to do it every alternate month.
What's up guys, my name is Leon Bollier. I'm here back again in Mumbai at Playtronics. A couple of months ago I was here for Holy Reloaded. It's always fun to be back in Mumbai, crazy crowds here, so it's good to be back and I hope to be back way more often. It's really nice to work with the guys from Plus91 and Third Rock. So yeah, we're looking into working even more close in the future. You know, they're throwing nice parties, they know what they're doing, they take care of their artists really well. So, yeah, you know, it's nice working together with those guys and I hope we can continue that in the future.
Right now the music is hot, it's awesome music at the moment. It's literally from here, like the beats are beyond imaginations. The people are grooving right now. So fun. It's too much fun.
I think it's good to have a music which really transcends to the soul. And when you listen to music, you really feel like going into another level of you know, psyche. And it really gives you a lot of soul satisfaction, which is really good and it's clicking in Bollywood.
It's good to work with the guys from Plus91. Cool guys to work with, fun guys to hang around with. You might have seen I included some footage of the Holy Reloaded Festival by Plus91 in the last video in my track Detonate with D-Wayne, which is going to be out next week on Afrojack's Wall recording. I'm definitely going to play it out tonight and like I said, it's fun to work with you guys. And who knows, maybe you guys will show up in one of my next music videos.
For more news and gossips, don't forget to subscribe to Bollywood Helpline.